Tired of juggling spreadsheets, separate accounts, and a mountain of paperwork just to manage your business finances? What if there was a way to bring all your financial tools together in one place, making your business banking not just bearable, but actually easy? That's the promise of Qonto. It's a name you might have heard, especially if you're a freelancer, a startup founder, or a small business owner in Europe. Qonto isn't a traditional bank with brick-and-mortar branches and long queues. Instead, it's a digital financial platform built specifically for modern businesses. Think of it as a comprehensive toolkit for your business finances, all in one user-friendly app. So, how does Qonto work? Let's break it down into its core components. First, at its heart is the business account. Opening one with Qonto is famously fast. We're talking minutes, not weeks. You get a local IBAN, which is essential for seamless transactions within the SEPA zone. But it's not just a single account. Qonto's genius lies in its ability to create sub-accounts, each with its own IBAN. This is a game changer for organizing your finances. You can create a sub-account for your taxes, one for payroll, another for a specific project, and so on. This simple act of separation makes bookkeeping and budgeting infinitely cleaner. Next, let's talk about cards. Qonto offers both physical and virtual MasterCard business cards. You can assign these cards to your employees and set custom spending limits and rules for each one. This gives you complete control and real-time visibility over team expenses. Forget about sifting through expense reports and chasing receipts. With Qonto, your team can take a photo of a receipt, and the app's smart technology automatically matches it to the right transaction. This automation saves hours of administrative work every month. But Qonto goes far beyond just accounts and cards. It's a full financial ecosystem. The platform integrates seamlessly with many popular accounting software solutions, which means you can sync your financial data directly with the tools your accountant uses. This creates a smooth workflow, eliminates manual data entry, and ensures your books are always up to date. The platform also has built-in features for invoicing. You can create and send professional invoices, track their payment status, and even set up automated reminders to get paid faster. For businesses that need a little extra help with cash flow, Qonto also offers financing options and tools to help you manage and forecast your cash flow. This gives you a clear picture of your business's financial health and helps you make smarter decisions. Qonto's business model is based on a tiered subscription system. They have different plans tailored to various needs, from freelancers and solo entrepreneurs to growing teams and larger SMEs. The plans vary in price and include a specific number of free transactions, cards, and advanced features. This allows you to choose a plan that fits your business size and needs, and you can easily upgrade as you grow. The whole platform is designed around a clean, intuitive interface that you can access from your desktop or mobile app. This focus on user experience is a major reason why so many small business owners are making the switch. They're not just getting a bank, they're getting a financial partner that helps them reclaim their time and focus on what they do best, running their business. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.